the Whispering Mountain. These ants must be gigantic now.
Big problem.
Stay calm.
Understood you?
Excuse us, we're visitors. We come in peace.
That's the light we followed.
Be respectful.
We came here by accident, and we seek a way home.
Is that what shrank us? We'll find the source.
I'm right behind you.
We choose together. Then... left. Past.
Run! Don't look down!
That must lead us to the core.
They don't want us to enter.
Run through!
Where are we now?
Follow the rhythm.
Hold on. Something huge is ahead.
If this is the source, maybe we can reverse the shrinking effect.
Then we have to get close, carefully.
I'll distract them. Go!
Keep going.
We triggered a chain reaction! Ah! We need to stabilize it, or we'll be stuck like this forever! Aim for the exit flare! Almost there!
It worked!
We're big again!
Thank you for everything.
Do you think we'll ever see them again?
Maybe, if the forest calls us. We made it back, and we actually saved the ant world.
Not bad for a spoon and a lantern.
A goodbye message. A reminder of the world beneath our feet. Let's adventure again someday. Together!